hiyawan at palakpakan sa aking bagong bayan, bayan ng Cebu.
Candidate number 5, please stay. Judges, show your scores.
Beauty without brain is like an ocean without a fish, a pearl without a shell, a body without a soul. So what is beauty if your brain is empty? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, or should I say good evening to each and everyone. In front of you is 25 years Tanner, a graduate of Business and Information Management at AMA Computer College, Dagupan City. My real name is Leo Andre Reyes, but tonight allow me to stand by the name of the woman who captured the heart of Mr. Richard Gomez, ang nag-iisang flawless skin. Sabay-sabay po nating isigaw ang pangalan ng nag-iisang Miss Lucy Torres Gomez, na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan, lalong-lalo na sa mga naritong kalalakihan. Aanhin nyo ang inyong mga pagkalaki-laking nota kung di rin lang ako ang makakahada. Thank you.
Candidate number 7, show your scores.
Discrimination can destroy a total confidence of a certain person. But now, people in Barangay Guesang shall be speechless, for they will witness how wonderful, fabulous, and extraordinary we are. That being a homosexual is never been a sin in our society, but it is a gift given by God. Maayo nga pabengi po kita kayo amin, na imbag na rabiya da kayo amin, or should I say, good evening to each and everyone. Standing in front of you is a fresh, 16-year-old stunner, all the way from the home of the most famous beauty queen, amazing Philippine theater. And as one of the luckiest finalists of the most prestigious pageant in our country, the Miss Gay Goddess 2010. Hi, my real name is Ma'am Matsintino, but tonight's affair, Ma'am, Sir, ladies and gentlemen, be good. Be rich, be mystified. Dahil nakatay na po sa inyong harapan, the woman who captured and captivated the heart of Mr. Drew Arellano. Ang babaeng minsang napaindak sa inyo sa Wawawi. Para hindi po natin sabay-sabay tipakan, Miss Iya Villania. At si Miss Iya Villania po ay nag-iwan ng isang katagang, kung kaming mga bakla ay mga agaw ng lakas, kayo naman pong mga kalalakihan ay mga agaw ng aming cash. And that will be all. Abante!
Candidate number 8, please stay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to our board of judges, and especially the officials of this barangay. I 18 star in front of you. My name is Roel de la Rosa Quizon, but tonight, please allow me stand by the name, the Miss Universe 3rd runner-up 2011, at ang tinaguriang tsunamiwak ng ating bansa. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay sigawan, halakhakan, at palakpakan ang pangalang tumatak na sa ating mga isipan, the one and only Miss Shamsi Suksuk. Isang katagang, aanhin pa ang kama na gawa sa Nara kung ang katabi mo'y walang alam sa kama. Mas gugustuhin ko para sa damuhan na ang katabi mo'y marunong mga bayo. Maraming salamat po. Once again, Happy Fiesta, Barangay Guesang.
Candidate number
Wala
9.
sa inyong harapan. Ako nga pala ang babaeng bawal. Halikan, pakain, din ang pagsawahan. At ito po ang babaeng Bawal tabihan, baka may mangyaring kababalaghan. Ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Alex Cruzan. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, sigawan, hiyawan ang nag-isang Miss Ethel Buba. Bago ko po alisanin ang apat na sulok na entabladong ito, mag-iwan po ako ng isang katagang. Kung ang babae ay tinaguri ang langit at ang lalaki ay tinaguri ang lupa, kaming mga bakla ay tinaguri ang kulog na umaalog sa inyong dalawang itlog. Aligwas, abante, happy festa, kabaranggayan kurang gasang kain.
Is Mr. Mario Makashub Aquino. But tonight, please allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng bawal hawakan, baka hindi na mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal titigan, baka hindi na maalisan. At ang babaeng nanggaling pa po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Gerald Budoy Anderson. Bakit po natin hindi palakpakan at sigawan ang nag-iisang Jade sa teleseryeng Binundo Girl, Miss Kim Chu, na nagsasabing, manalo man po o matalo ako sa patimpalak na ito, ang inyong halakhakan, palakpakan, sigawan, hiyawan, ang magsisilbing aking tropeyo. Tropeyong iuuwi ko sa aming tahanan. Once again, I am Miss Kim Chu, Aligwas, Abante, and Happy Fiesta, Barangay Guesang. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Candidate number 12, please release.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm back already kay amin to say
Audience,
good
please be
evening.
quiet.
My name is Jennifer Alcantara, but the name, ang nag-iisang pusa, Miss Aise Muñez. Thank you very much.
Number 13, please stay for your scores. Candidate number 13, please stay. Judges, show your scores. 5, 8, 7, 7. Thank you very much, candidate number 13. Now let's call on candidate number 14.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jomar Fabio, also known as Katrina Halili, na naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung ang babae ang tinaguri ang lababo ang tobo ay lababo, kung ang lalaki ang tinaguri ang siyang tobo ng inyong lababo, at kung ang babae ang siyang tinaguri ang lababo, kami namang mga baklang sumisip-sip sa baradong tobo. Maraming salamat po.
Candidate number 14, please remain for your...
For the judges tonight, follow Zarazen Barangay Captain. A gorgeous, everlasting evening to each and everyone. The realization of this pageant is not always showing my beauty, my body, but showcasing my talent by God was given to me. Standing in front of you as a precious 18 years old center. Tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Coco Martin. Look at me and say yes. It's no other than Miss Julia Montest. Thank you and good evening. Happy Festa.
Candidate number 2, please proceed.
Thank you. Greetings of love and peace in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ and the shrine of the most holy rosary of Our Lady of Manaoag, the pilgrimage center of the North. Standing in front of you is a 20-year-old stunner taking up Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, major in Guidance in Counseling from University of Instruction, Research and Extension, University of the Philippines, Baguio. For tonight, allow me to stand by the name, one of the most renowned faces in the show business and entertainment industry, the woman of beauty with a mission and faith for fitness. Make way for the stupefying loveliness, attractiveness, gorgeousness, and magnificence of one and only, the original, Ms. Iya Velenia. At si Iya Velenia po ay nag-iwan ng mga katagang, imbes na mambabae, mambakla ka na lang. Sing sarap, pero di sing mahal. Dahil pag ikaw ng bakla, may asawa ka na, may kumpare ka pa. Yun lamang at maraming salamat po.
Candidate number 16, please remain for your score. Judges, show your score. 10, 10, 10, 10. Thank you very much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The realization in this beauty pageant here is a conducing factor towards growing acceptance of homosexuality in this society. It is not a social deviation, but rather a genetic variation. In front of you, 17-year-old stunner from high-quality and competitive schools of biologists and nurses, all the way from Manila, Far Eastern University. My real name is Archie A. Abrigo, but tonight, ladies and allow me to stand by the name, your one and only Showtime girl, and Curtis. That will be all. Aliguas, abante, guesang. Thank you.
Candidate number 7, please remain. Judges, show your score.
What's a beautiful way to an in a pleasant evening to each and everyone. Integrity is not measured but what you say about yourself, but definitely what God people say about you. Behold, be weighed, and be mystified. Standing in front of you, my real name is Mads Joel Musarbas Murillo. Is a fresh 20 of age. I allow you to stand me by the name Miss Sheena Halili na nag-iiwan ng isang simpleng katagang, hindi masama ang pagiging bakla kung hindi ka gagawa ng sarili mo ikasasama. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Guesang.
Candidate number 18, please stay.
Okay.